Welcome to this quick Telegram tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to share your birthday only with your contacts on Telegram using the latest updated settings. This is perfect if you want to keep your personal information private while still letting your friends see your birthday. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. Once you are on the main screen, look for the menu icon. On Android, this is usually the three horizontal lines in the top corner. And on iPhone, you can tap on your profile icon. Next, go to Settings. This is where you can manage everything related to your account, including privacy controls. Now tap on Privacy and Security. This section allows you to control who can see your personal information, such as your phone number, profile photo, and more. Scroll down until you find the option labeled Birthday and tap on it. Here, Telegram gives you control over who can view your birthday details. You will now see different privacy options. To make sure only people in your contact list can see your birthday, select My Contacts. This means strangers or unknown users will not have access to this information. After selecting My Contacts, make sure to apply or confirm your changes if required. Once done, your birthday will only be visible to people you have saved in your contacts. And that's it. You have successfully updated your Telegram privacy settings to keep your birthday shared only with your contacts. This small adjustment helps improve your privacy while still allowing your friends to stay connected and remember your special day.